the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Google Pixel 4a with 5G. So yeah, so here's the Pixel 4a 5G. I think it's available for pre-orders, so that's pretty nice. It's $4.99 or $20.99 a month for 24 months. So I think it's like $150 more than the Pixel 4a. So yeah, it says the essential 5G Google phone. So if you guys want 5G for cheap, the Pixel 4a is for you. So it does look like the Pixel 4a, but this one has 5G, of course. I think it looks like that. I think it looks the same as the Pixel 4a, but this one has 5G on it, of course. So yeah. So there's the wallpaper. I am not a fan of the wallpaper. I'm not a fan of it. Personally, I'm not a fan of it. Looks crazy. It says high-speed help for less than you would expect. A camera that helps you take your best shots. Have a photo shoot day or night. Capture moments with stunning clarity and take clips with Hollywood-inspired effects. So pretty good. A battery that keeps you going. Power quickly. Stay charged all day. And turn on extreme battery saver to get up to 48 hours of battery when you need it most. A security guard for your data. Titan M superhero level security chip and automatic updates help keep your digital life secure, so you can rest easy. So that is a win. A little help on the go with Google Assistant, of course. Get help on the go, find answers when you need them, plus see who's calling and why before you pick up the phone with Google Assistant. So pretty nice. Okay. Yep. It says, what the hell? Oh, damn it. It says putting the G in 5G, alright. Alright, here we go. There's a Pixel 4a 5G. It says super fast downloads ready when you are with 5G. You can download an episode in seconds and start your watch before you know it. So yeah, this phone showed from Quibi here, so that's pretty cool. Ultra smooth streaming, so you won't miss the beat. So this is the Stadia controller they got going on here. You just plug it into your phone and you should be good to go there. Pretty nice. From gaming with Stadia to watching your go-to shows, enjoy the content you love in Crystal Clear HD. So your 5G. Share your 5G speed with friends, so you can use hotspot on this phone, of course. 5G hotspot lets you send a super fast signal to friends or speaker. Lots of connections for easy working while on the go. So, pretty nice. Video calling that feels more like teleporting. With dual screen share in HD, you can read articles, watch live sports, and laugh together as if you were sitting in the same room. Beautiful moments captured beautifully. It's the brilliant Pixel camera now with an ultra lens, wide lens, and new videos that help you shoot and edit like the post. Take photos in the dark. from low light portraits to starry lights to starry nights. Night sight lets you capture all the details without the flash. So a lot of phones are now getting that feature as well, so it's pretty nice. Keep your magical moment to vibrant. HDR Plus automatically enhances color and lighting to the photos you take stay as vivid as you remember. Capture the big picture. The ultra-wide lens lets you fit entire jaw-dropping scenes in your photo. See your portraits in the best light. If shadows get in the way of a great portrait, pixel drops and extra light to illuminate your subjects. You can also adjust the lighting later on in Google Photos, so you get the option to do that. Add a little drama to your clips. Give your videos a cinematic look with super smooth panning that inspires by the equipment used in Hollywood movies. Pretty interesting there. The all day plus a no day battery. We will see about that. You know, they always claim about the bill also depends on the use of the force, because you use different heavily, of course you'll have less battery life, of course. Says that it understands your priorities, adapts the battery, and runs your favorite apps, and reduces power to the ones you rarely use, so your phone keeps it charged all day. It can last up to 48 hours. Extreme battery saver helps takes all day battery to, says extreme battery saver helps take your all day battery up to 48 hours on a single charge when you really need it. It charges fast. Return to your task and entertainment quickly with a fast charging battery. A security guard for your digital life. A chip that has your back. The Titan M chip helps secure the OS and sensitive data like passwords and transactions. So that is a plus. Updates you don't have to remember. Automatically receive the latest security updates as soon as they are ready, so your phone stays safe and up to date with the latest software. One step ahead of the hackers. Pixel scans for incoming threats from calls, texts, emails, and links sent from other apps. It also scans over 1 billion apps a day to keep your phone safe. So that is pretty nice. Call 911 even if you can't. If your phone senses that you've been in a car accident, car crash detection can help reach 911 for you, so that is a nice feature to have. So if you guys get into a car accident, you guys can call for help. This feature will help you do that. So that is a win, and that could potentially save people's lives from that, so that is a win. So end the robocalls, hold the hold times. So this is a really cool feature. I wish every phone had this. So yeah. It says with call screen, Google system proactively screens unknown callers and filters out robocalls before your phone rings. And with hold for me, Google system waits on hold for you and lets you know when someone's on the line. So you guys can see an example right there. This is a great feature. I wish every phone had this, but I think it is exclusive to Pixel devices. So yeah, basically a number calls you. Let's say the number's not in your phone, it will call you, and then it will tell you why it's calling you, so you can answer the phone or not. So great features to have. It says a little help when your hands are full. Use Google Assistant to manage your daily tasks, control your phone and apps, and get help on the go, and much more. So they have different Pixel devices compared. The Pixel 4a with 5G is $499. The 4A is $349, of course. The Pixel 5 is right there on the left at $699. So yeah. So they got the self compared here, so you can compare the 3 pixels side by side to one another. Of course, the Pixel 5 is the best one on this list. Yeah, this is Google One storage, and this is your Pixel 4a 5G comes with 3 months of Google One. So that's nice. As a member, you will get access to 100 gigabytes of cloud storage, automatic phone backup, and more benefits that you can share with your family. So that is pretty cool. Google One is really nice. I tried it out and it's fucking awesome. It's definitely worth it. It's cheap, it's affordable, it's worth it. You know, you get a lot of features with Google One, especially if you guys get to, if you guys pay for it. It's definitely worth it. It's worth checking out. You can check out different things here, talking about cases and stuff here. So let's go ahead and check out the specs on the Pixel 4a 5G. So yeah, if you guys want a 5G phone for cheap, the Pixel 4a is the one to look at here. So yeah, these are the specs. Peek inside Pixel 4a with 5G. Tell you guys the dimensions and stuff. So the screen is a 6.2-inch display. Your dimensions 6.1 inches height, 2.9 inches width, and 0.3 inches depth. So yeah, pretty good there. You do have a whole 0.3 front-facing camera. 3 cameras on the back. Display is 6.2 inches. That is 6.2 inches at Full HD, 413 ppi. You will have an OLED display. That's a 19.5 by 9 HDR, always on display and stuff like that. Dimensions 6.1 inches height, 2.9 inches width, and 0.3 inches depth. 3800 mAh battery, 6 gigabytes of RAM. 7 gigabytes of storage you got. And you get 128 gigabytes of storage. Snapdragon 765G. Octa-core Adreno 620. Titan M chip, so pretty nice. Cameras on the rear. Is it 2 cameras or 3? Oh no, it does look like 3 cameras in the back, but it's probably 2. Let's see. So you do have a 12.2 megapixel dual pixel camera, autofocus with dual pixel, surface detection, optical, and you have optical and electronic image stabilization, f1.7. Aperture lens, 77-degree field of view. Then you have a 16 megapixel ultra wide camera with f2.2 aperture and a 107-degree field of view. So you probably have 2 cameras, but it does look like 3 cameras in the back. It does look like 3, but I think it's 2 in the back. You have an 8 megapixel front-facing camera with f2.0 aperture lens. Video is 1080p at 30, 60, 120, and 240 on the rear. 4K at 30 and 60 on the rear. Front-facing camera at 1080p at 30. So not too bad. 8 your sensors. You have proximity, ambient light, accelerometer, gyrometer, magnetometer, pixel imprint. You do have a fingerprint sensor on the rear, barometer, spectacle, and flicker sensor, so it's pretty interesting there. USB-C 18-watt adapter, USB-T. So you have a USB-C cable and 18-watt fast charging, so pretty nice. buttons and ports. You get USB-C type, USB-C 3.5 headphones, which is nice to have. Power button and blank keys, right? Sound is you have a single nano SIM card slot and an eSIM option as well. Media is stereo speakers, 2 microphones, stereo in person. Wireless and location is dual band Wi-Fi, 802.11 APG, NFC, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, Dualcast, and APS, and all that. There's dynamics there. So you will get 5G sub 6 on here, so yeah. You get 5G millimeter wave as well. So it's pretty nice. Color is just black and clearly white. Hearing aid security OS. Security and OS updates. You will have Android 11 on board, 3 years of OS and security updates. So we get 12, 13, and 14. So pretty cool. And yeah, the soft touch play cabinet. Anybody go with the glass, do recover glass, AR, and the 1 year warranty. Right there, so pretty nice stuff there. You know, not bad for $500. You know, I think it's worth the $500. I think, hey, if you guys want a 5G phone for cheap, this is the phone to look at here. This is a very nice looking phone. Specs in here are really good. You know, so for $500 is not bad, and this one's unlocked, and you can use it anywhere you guys want. It's also this one's going to Google Fi, of course, on the Verizon prepaid. And I'm sure that Visible will get this one as well. Because usually Verizon gets the Pixel devices, they usually do, and the only place they get them on prepaid is Visible and Verizon prepaid. And you can also get it on Google Fi as well. So for $500, man, this is a great deal. Specs on here are great. You know, the main selling point for this phone, of course, is its 5G connectivity. So if you guys been waiting to get a Pixel 4a, I suggest you guys get the Pixel 4a with 5G. There is 2 cameras on the back. I thought it was 3 cameras, but your camera flash is right here, guys. I thought it was 3 cameras on the back, it's actually 2, so yeah, not bad. Yeah, you know, $500, you're getting a great deal here. That's a concern. I don't like the wallpaper. I think the wallpaper looks tacky as fuck, but that's just me. If you do get this one, I suggest you guys buy this one outright at $500. It's definitely worth it. It's affordable, and you're definitely getting your money's worth with this one here. So yeah, do you guys have the Pixel 4a 5G? I think it's available for pre-order right now. I don't know when it's supposed to come out exactly when, but it's coming out very soon. So for $500, man, this is a great deal. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.